Hello and welcome to all. Hope you are all staying safe and healthy during this lockdown period. Before I wanted to speak, I was looking over the topics of what I should speak, and I came over a lot, but I wanted to speak something relevant to today's scenarios, and I narrowed on stigmatization. Stigmatization refers to the act of deliberately associating something derogatory to a person or a place or a situation or a conundrum. In recent events, this particular word may not have been used, but this particular situation has been observed and seen throughout in almost every country around the world. The most important thing, many have not noticed it, but during this lockdown in India especially, the northeastern brothers of our country have been stigmatized very badly. In some examples, they have been isolated in the train coaches. They have been pushed out of vehicles, pushed out of public transport, and all the while the people who did this called them coronavirus. This indirectly refers to the virus spread from China. They didn't have anything to do with it, but they are associated with it. And that is the problem we all face. The dictionaries around the world define stigma as something derogatory attached to a person or place or a conundrum. This is a very kind definition, but the people who experience this syndrome or this particular situation, they go through, literally they go through hell. The earliest forms of these could be associated to racism or racial bias or differentiation. uh, Many will say the African slave movements and such, but I would like to go further more deeper into history. I would say that the many ancient civilizations of this world have practiced this particular syndrome or this particular dogma over the years, which could be related to casteism in India, the protectorate policy of the Chinese government, particularly the Peking dynasty, the Japanese isolation over the world, Aryan supremacy of Hitler, fascism of Mussolini, and many such. The most prominent one will be the slave trade that happened all around the colonial era, and this is quite related to our current situation of a medical emergency, which is the lockdown period going on due to the coronavirus pandemic. Earlier in the 1800s, typhoid breakout happened all around the world, but in America it was quite slow. There a particular person named Mary was infected, but she did not show any symptoms outside. The virus stayed inside her, but the symptoms she did not exhibit the symptoms. So, Mary was a housekeeper. She worked from house to home. She worked at different places. Every place she worked, the virus spread from her, and the people around her started getting infected. In the end, she was called as Typhoid Mary. Even now, if a woman gets typhoid fever, they are referred to as Typhoid Mary. Her children, her grandchildren, her entire generation, her entire legacy was polluted because of this one act, that which she did not have any choice for. This is a crime that most humans commit and most humans are not punished for. Almost everyone does this every day. Even in my youth, more specifically my childhood, almost every child believed that everyone from China knew martial arts. Especially they are very exceptional in Kung Fu. This belief was further strengthened by repeated playback of Jackie Chan films and Bruce Lee films. Almost everyone believed that the Chinese are good at martial arts. Everyone started associating them with martial arts. Some even started stigmatizing them. Many who would antagonize them and then back off, saying that he may know Kung Fu, he will definitely kill us. Like that, many have done many things. We all have compared people who had ethnic differences We have compared people with color, we have stigmatized them with our something. For example, many compare the color black with ugliness or dirtiness, and we isolate them from society. Even now, the people who are the migrant workers, if someone from the southern states see someone who speaks Hindi, we immediately isolate them, thinking that they may have the virus. Like that, we have almost isolated our own brothers and sisters. Forget nationalities; they are all humans with the same blood, which has the same color. We all have the same blood running in our veins, and yet we have always isolated those who are different from us, who are unique from us. This crime cannot and should not happen in the near future. The most prominent examples you can see today: an American named George Floyd was killed for a reason that was not for a crime that he did not commit. The crime being that he was born into a black family. Like that, many have been subjected to institutional crimes and such. So please culture humanitarian values inside you, and please avoid stigmatization of people for crimes they did not commit. Thank you.